Hey, what's up everybody? Quick video I'm gonna do on well, it's not much of an unboxing as we see over here. It's a little hint of what we're about to do. It's actually right here. Is another sticker right here. It's Supreme. It's a pair of sneakers that I ended up getting. I didn't want these actually, but these are not gonna stay with me anyway. So here it is. You have the nice box over here. Conditions a little okay. The top half you have the Supreme. This came from Supreme. All right, it was decently packaged. Could have been much better. Again, this is these videos are to help out anybody who buys, then they can know what to expect when you buy from a specific company, brand. So on the sheet over here, you have the Nike and the Supreme logo on it. You have the serial number tag right there. Basically the number, whatever it is. And let's take a look. These are the light blues. Ooh. I didn't expect that. Oh no, the picture doesn't help it out. This is much better than I thought. If history is correct, I believe these were the ones that Jason Kidd wore. These are actually actual basketball sneakers. And you have the word Supreme going around. It has that bandana light blue effect. This is leather. This is a suede over here. Stitched in, of course, Nike logo. The toe box. It's a very nice sneaker. On the back, you have on the heel tab, it says Flight on it. And you have this nice, it's a printed bandana effect. Well, probably would have been better if it was stitched in. That'd be pretty cool too. But again, you can't get everything you want. Under here, you have Supreme right by the Air unit. I don't know if it's a full air zoom, to be honest with you. You have the laces. I believe they may be reflective. And on the tongue, you have, again, Supreme. This nice plastic cover over here. So this is it stitched in? It looks like it's stitched in. Then on the inside, you have, again, on the insole, you have the Nike Air and Supreme logo right above it. These are nice. Over here, you have just like a padding for the ankle padding. These are more basketball sneakers. I believe, if I'm right, like I said before, I think Jason Kidd wore these. And you have this nice traction. I'm sure these are pretty good for basketball. To what degree, I haven't heard many reviews on it. It's not much more I could say about these sneakers except, you know, check out other reviews I've done. These are not going to stay. These are basically gone. They do look much better though in hand versus the pictures that are out there from what I've seen. So, you know, hey, not a bad sneaker. The black, I'm sure is probably the better one. Black goes good with everything anyway. You can't lose with that. And that's basically it. Of course, you guys can always subscribe, check out the channel. Have a bunch of other Supreme stuff coming, more on the hat side. That's basically it. Thanks for watching, and that's it. I'll see you guys soon.